dusk at the new campsite. It's gonna be like a triple decker. You have to walk to it, so it should be a little special. Have some pretty awesome hammock trees up here. And I've been cutting some dead wood away and just cleaning up a little bit. It's really nice out here in the evening. Gotta finish taking that fence down. Haven't been able to get the tractor over here. There's the other campsite. I call it the Tall Pines. It's pretty much the most popular because you can drive right up to it. But that's where the otter hangs out, so it's not too shabby. I put in a dog kennel down here at Tall Pines to clamp your dog, because some folks are touchy about where their dog spends the night. And I haven't tested it out yet. Oh, and you can see the house in the background right there. Got some more cleaning up to do as usual. There's the barn. Oh, that's the quail pens. Oh, there's the outhouse. If you can barely see it. Down behind the pond. And Porter is giving me a look like, what are you doing? I like to sit in that chair. That's the pond. You can't really see it from here. I had some koi until the otter stopped by. And you can see the woodpecker tree. I leave the dead wood unless it's a problem for woodpeckers and owls and flying squirrels and things of such. And while we're up this high, the top of that tree fell out with the last storm, and it's gonna make some awesome habitat for a while. Who knows how long it'll hang. And let's see, the other campsite is right back there. If we can see it from here. I can't see it through that holly tree. No, you can't really see it. Andy's found something to get into. What you got, Bubba? What is it? Where's he at? Get him. Probably squirrel. He still thinks he's squirrel master. Well, go on up. You do it. Where is he? I can't climb it either. You're gonna have to do it. Where'd he go? Well, where did he go? Who was it? Who was it? Where did he go? Well, did he go up that tree too? It's possible. I don't see anybody. Oh, you think he might be? Well, you gotta tell me, dude. You got the nose. Gotta get that fence down. Oh, there's the hammock at the other campsite. It's on this side of the creek. But you can't see the campsite. I'll have to walk a little further over. It's the new campsite again. I think I'll call it Game Trail. because two game trails intersect, and there's usually some pretty interesting things going on back here. Here's the other campsite. You can see it. Yeah, right there where those chairs are. So you can see we have really good privacy. And the sun is setting. It's peaceful back here. It's like dog heaven. New campsite again. Like I said, it's three sections because I didn't want to clear all the underbrush, but enough to be comfortable around the campsite. What you got, Molly? What you got? She points like a pointer. My pointing chihuahua. What you got? Where'd you go? Squirrels. Or who knows? She hasn't told me yet. I can't speak dog. Can't get that through Andy's head. I don't speak dog. My little creek. This is Oak Grove campsite. See, Porter is still pretty much where he was when I walked away on the pond. He's found acorns there, and he's getting fat. You can hear the little waterfall. It's nice to sleep by, especially if you come by yourself. You can use the hammock or bring your own. Cold tub. It's colder than hoot. It's full of leaves and stuff right now. Bet you can't sit all the way down in it. Still a little color in the trees, especially with the sun behind it.